leverage. You hop if you wanna just bounce to my leverage. The evidence, as they say, is in the pudding. So show me the money like my name was Cuba Gooding. It ain't fool's gold, it's gold, fool. Can't stop, won't stop, keeping it old school. So cool. Big Spoon is my nom de plume. I keep it popping like a needle in a new balloon. And if you don't know by now, then you need more schooling. Let loose, kid, get stupid. Got more flavor than I know what to do. It's to get your hands up if you're part of the movement and bump to the baseline. I made it rock before your phone had FaceTime. Yes, sirree, you know my steez. I stay fresh to death like I'm drowning in Febreze.
Up, up, and away we go. Up, up, and it's making me glow. Up, up, and away we go. Up, up, and liking it. Up, up, and away.
Up and away, I'm in Palamo. One step ahead on this xylophone. That means I'm boss father. Speak dough, I'm boss father. Home of a head and I'm all starving. All eyes on your boy and I'm post-sided. Wavy to your outsiders, I'm more lava. Let me open up like this a door knocker. Show you how I lay it down, boy, so proper. No scholar but much class. The gem found under your nose like a mustache. My pen splash, equivalent of a benzo. Hem class, so fly my wardrobe, come a jet lag. Cautious though, cause my hooks is fresh crack. So dope, I'm a certified meth lab. Pen actors, been at it, I've been fresh. On lines with my pen game, Pinterest. That's June, Hall of Fame, dollar game. Something big like Wallace, you pocket change. All about presidents, no politician. But every big face need your running mate, yes.
Up, up, and away we go. Up, up, and it's making me glow. Yes. Up, up, and away we go. Up, up, and liking it. Up, up, and away.
Let me burst on this verse. I rock steady, but I never rehearse. And every verse I work is right on the money. Yo, I got more raps than a mummy, honey. This be the boogie to jumpstart your ventricles. Strapped on the track like tentacles. I put the squeeze on these other MCs, cutting imitators off at the knees. Oh please, the way I'm ripping it up, I never let up. So hold on to your butts and I'ma wake you up, show you how it's done. I'll kick your swagger in the athletic cup, son. I'm blessed to be spitting these rhymes instead of sitting in a cubicle and losing my mind. So this is my time to shine, and I'ma do it so bright I'll make busters go blind.
Up, up, and away we go. Up, up, and it's making me glow. Up, up, and away we go. Up, up, and liking it. Up, up, and away.
Invitation to lose it. Yeah, you kid, being a cool kid back at the arena watching my crew spit while you say to your girl, yo, this music is stupid. You know I've heard it all before, and I'm still bringing the records to shake the dance floor. If you're joining up now, then you better stay tuned, cause I'm coming to your town with some wham bam thank you. Swinging on the track cause I'm so up-tempo. I know the people love it cause I see them going next. So commander of the crowd, better call me the general and fix up soldier, get looking presentable and rep your city or wherever you claim. When you're rocking with your boy, you know it's all the same, cause the folks been brought and I'm bringing the ballyhoo. Alley-oop on the cut, you know how we do. And you better believe we in the place to be, baby, you and me. And it ain't no lie, we in the place to be, girl, you and I. So make moves if you're coming along, cause the place to be is where they playing this song. And you already know I'm the top of the pile, got the pedal to the metal, run a 1 minute mile. You can see that my style is dialed in, and now I got more green than Ireland. It's the big leagues, baby, what you know about me? You can tell by the sound that I'm frequently clowning, and they suckers out like pins in an alley. When I rally the fan from the valley to Cali, then I ramble on like Robert Plant say, use a Padawan, I'm a sensei, half architect, half lucky devil. No matter what the metric, you ain't ever on my level. So let's take a dip into the lyrical deep end. Sleeping on the kid, taking Tylenol PM. Bruce so fly that your crew wanna be them. Play your cards right, we can hang this weekend. And you better believe we in the place to be, baby, you and me. And it ain't no lie, we in the place to be, girl, you and I. So moment in time I see frowns in the crowd, and I wanna turn them upside down. So if you're coming around my way, then you might as well stick around. Cause me, I'm sitting pretty in the middle of the city like a king without a crown. And you can knock it if you want, but I don't see why. Man, you must be crazy, I love this town.
Can someone tell me the place to be?